Home Remedies presents boiled fenugreek and carom seeds. You will thank me for the recipe. Chest congestion can be extremely discomforting. If not treated in time, it can lead to severe infections in the respiratory tract. A person suffering from congested chest may most commonly experience pain in chest or throat, build up of phlegm, making the chest feel really heavy. Extreme cases can even make swallowing of food difficult. Today I will share with you an effective remedy that can help you cure congested chest at home. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, carom seeds, ajwain 1 teaspoon, honey 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup. Procedure: boil 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds in a cup of water on low heat for 10 minutes and strain into a cup. Once cool, mix 1 tablespoon of honey in it and consume lukewarm twice a day. Fenugreek seeds and carom seeds are important spices which have many medicinal properties. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.